what workers' compensation insurance covers. As a business owner, you probably understand that workers' compensation insurance is a type of coverage intended to protect your employees. But you may not know exactly what workers' comp benefits cover. Here are 4 points of breakdown of how workers' compensation protects your employees. Number 1, medical care benefits. So long as an employee's injuries or illness is related to their job, workers' comp will cover their medical costs. This includes surgeries, hospital pays, doctor's appointments, medical treatments, medications, medical equipment. Number 2, wage replacement of disability benefits. If an injury keeps an employee out of work, then they may qualify for lost income benefits if they fall into one of the following categories of disability. Number 1, temporary total disability. This is when an injury prevents an employee from working at all, but only for a short amount of time. Number 2, temporary partial disability. This is when an injury prevents an employee from doing some of their work duties for a short amount of time. And number 3, permanent total disability. When an employee can no longer work their current job. And number 4, permanent partial disability. When an employee is permanently unable to do certain work duties. The amount of benefit an employee will receive is based on what they earned prior to their injury. Generally, an employee will make about 2/3 of their wages. Number 3, vocational rehab benefits. Workers' compensation insurance will also cover an injured employee's rehabilitation, such as physical therapy, so they can make a full recovery. Additionally, if an employee requires special training to help them return to work or qualify for a new position, then workers' comp can cover these costs as well. And lastly, number 4, death benefits. Finally, if a work-related injury or illness results in an employee's death, then the employee's family might receive certain benefits, such as funeral and burial expenses, financial support, usually a percentage of the deceased employee's wages. Just be aware that some states might place restrictions on the relationships that qualify for these benefits. These are the major benefits that employees can expect from workers' compensation insurance. Any questions? Give us a call. Maybe we can help.